Here we are at anti-aging bed, showcasing the opening of the adjustable bed set. Right here we have the complete version of what we're about ready to put together. So it's important that you understand and see the process. The box that you get is very much like this for this adjustable base that's right here. And it is a little bit of a process. Most people can handle it. Sometimes the box is not perfect. That's why there is a box. It gets shipped UPS. These are very much different than the old adjustable bases that I started with 20 years ago. These are light. They can be shipped UPS, and they're fairly easy to put together. So, you know, there'll be corner pads to take off. Here we have the mattress. So you'll have the mattress, the adjustable base, and of course this bed cover that will go over the top. Right now we'll start with this adjustable base. Now when you use the razor blade, never pierce deep, just essentially make sure that the plastic is cut open. And this thing should almost stand up. Keeping it flat, it will hold itself up. This is our highest adjustable base, called the zero gravity adjustable base. It does have massage and all the features. This actually has voice command. First thing you have to do, remove the plastic. So here we are now with the plastic removed, and what you want to do is just simply open it up. Items will fall out, but the best way to put adjustable base together is with its wingspan open. This allows you to put the adjustable base together. So the next thing you do when you have your adjustable base open is put all your parts in an area where they're easy to find, and cutting these boxes off is very important, making sure you don't cut any wires. And of course, taking out the instruction book. So in the white box, you will have all the attachments for the remote control, along with how to power the system up. The other brown boxes will have 6 legs. There's 4 on the corners and 2 in the middle. And before you start with the legs, they are adjustable. You can change the height, but it's not recommended. The current height is actually the universal height of all furniture. So if you do have a headboard, a footboard, a side rail, this is the correct height. If you go lower because you want to go lower, it's a lot of work to flip it back over and to change the height. So it's always recommended. It's going to hit mid-thigh on most people, and that's where I recommend it. Go ahead and put the felt on the bottom of each leg, and then from there go ahead and hand tighten the leg on each corner. So here we have the instruction manual. It's a very simple process. Most kids in elementary school could actually do this. It's kind of self-explanatory, but there's a quick assembly guide if you ever run into questions, and it's pretty self-explanatory like I said, but in the white box you're going to see a couple different wires, and you're going to want to have this flip just like it is now so that you can actually find this wire right here. Every adjustable base is going to be slightly different, but this is the highest end model we have, called the zero gravity. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of attachments. This black box is what you need to find, and it's a lot like a computer box. you'll simply plug in the figure 8 into the figure 8 in the box, untie the bottom of that, find the additional long wire with the cord and the wire tie-ins. And once you get the wire tie-ins off, make sure that the wire is completely extended. Once you have the wire, it's a caddy corner type of plug that will go right in to the bottom of the black power cable. And from here, take the wire ties off, and this is what you'll plug in. This item right here is based on other attachments like voice, and not only that, this attachment here can be added if this base ever has the electricity turned off. You can put batteries in this. If it's sitting up in bed and there's no electricity, you can put batteries in this and replace this with this, and you'd be able to still use your remote with the batteries that are powering the bed. So keep these in your nightstand in case you get other attachments like the voice or something else. And of course, which leads us to the next step, which we will plug this in. So with this base, make sure it's totally extended and there's room. You want to make sure that you put it between the two top legs. This is the head of the bed, and how you know the head from the foot is that there's two holes in the foot that hold the horseshoe type metal. So make sure you put it between the head at the head of the bed. Go ahead and plug it in. And it's always good to use a surge protector if you have lightning and that type of thing. This bed is protected. If you do not use a surge protector and you have a lightning issue, you're liable, because this bed will know if the lightning has striked and it doesn't work. So it's up to you to get a surge protector to protect your own adjustable base. Which leads us to the next part, getting the remote control and the batteries in it. So here we are with the remote control for this specific adjustable base. And on the back, it does come with batteries. You're simply going to install these batteries. And you can pair this system. Right now it's on both A and B, or in the middle is where you want to pair this system. So keep it in the middle for one base. If you have two or more bases, you can make these work in unison together, but most people keep them individual. So you have the individual ability to do the massage, to do the adjustable the way you want to do it. And so when that is plugged in, go ahead and test the system before you flip the base over that it works. As you can see, the foot works. And the head works. So we're good to go ahead and put the base into place. Now that the base is in place, whether there's furniture around this or not, we've got it to the point where we're ready to do a couple things. And before we go any further, the straight bar that's aligned, it's right in the center. When you push this button, it pushes everything down, turns everything off as well. This base does have massage, and when you do hit the completely flat button, it shuts everything off and turns off the massage. This leads us to our next step, putting the horseshoe bar on. Keep the mattress in place. Make sure it goes to the very far end. All the way down. Do not go the opposite way, which it would put the bar right here. It won't work. Make sure it's at the foot of the bed. Take the wing nut off and make sure you hand tighten it. there's some interesting things about this remote. This has got all the bells and whistles. Of course, there are 3 memory settings at the bottom. If you find one that you like, you simply hold it and lock it in place. Now, on the left and right, you can adjust the head up by holding the top corner up, and you can adjust the feet up by holding the foot portion up. And you can adjust it back and forth however you like. A common one is the zero gravity feature, and that will bring you into the zero gravity position, something that our company is actually known for in this industry. And that will bring you into a zero gravity position, which may not be all the way suitable for you, but you can custom fit the zero gravity position just for you. You need more head raise, great. You need more foot raise, great. And from there, some of the other cool things that this remote can do is massage. There's 3 different massages here. They've got the foot, they've got the head, and they've got both. So we're gonna hit both, foot and head, and you're gonna hear the vibration of the massage right there. It's more of a rocking massage, and this massage will penetrate through the mattress, and it will be a very comforting massage. Just to let you know, with massage, you have a 10, 20, and 30-minute automatic shut-off. By hitting the center of the massage, you can change the duration of your massage. That will automatically cut off. The longest period of time that this adjustable base has is 30 minutes. And from this portion, no matter where you're at and how many features that you have, you can simply push the flat button and it will all turn off, all shut off, and go back to a flat position. And that's the adjustable base. So now that we have our adjustable base down, and on our website, this is called the MedBed Adjustable Base System and Sleep System, and it comes with a adjustable base, of course, and a mattress and a bed cover. So when you open this mattress, make sure you don't pierce the box too deep. You can cut the mattress cover. If you're using a razor blade, it's almost more preferable to use a scissor. But in this case, don't go very deep, go very surfacey. From here, the next item is putting the mattress on the base. So our next stage is, once we have the mattress unboxed, we can either put it on the base or we can put it on the floor. There's quite a bit of plastic on this, and the preferable item to use is a pair of scissors, so that when we cut this plastic off, we're not cutting in to the actual fabric. So now that we have cut the plastic off, we're going to roll it out. We're going to get all the plastic off. So the next portion of this is to just cut the bottom plastic off. Please use a scissor and watch out for not cutting the actual fabric. It's important to try to keep the bag, so allow it to breathe and let it come back into position. So now that the mattress has come up, go ahead and take the plastic off.